Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is Asus Expertbook. Is Expertbook model number is B1400C, and this is 11th generation uh, processor. And this laptop you can't install Windows 10 or Windows 11. So how can you fix this? I have a bootable USB drive here, and when I going to install the Windows, this giving this no bootable hard disk. So how can I fix? So this one I put in the laptop, another laptop, and go to the link I keep in the description and paste this link and download the driver. Okay, after download this driver, you have to put where you want to put this one. So I have to install this on the hard disk. How can? After install this one, I have to open this. You need to WinRAR and extract to USB drive. Here is my USB drive. I have already extract, and then I put it double. So extract to USB. So if complete extracted, and now you can see in the hard drive, in the USB is already extract. You can see here is extract the folder. So now I will go to the or another way you can put like this, just extract here with folder. Okay, this not extracting with folder. So you can extract to the USB. After extract, I have to use this one in this laptop. All model new laptop is problem like this. So I have to restart the PC, the laptop, and now I put the USB drive here, and it will be restart and loading the Windows. So just you have to wait. This is very important for all the new model laptop. If you want to install the Windows, you need to make this boot driver install on your PC, and otherwise you can't install the Windows. So you can see here is loading my USB, and now I press next, and now I press next and then install now, and then go. I don't have product key. If you have product key you can use, and Windows 10 Pro, and next, and I accept Microsoft license, next, and you can see here is no drive. Okay, here is no drive. So this is the problem. How can you bring this? I go to the load, and now I go to the load drive and go to the browser and go to the, you see here is the our USB, and select next, and you can see the first option. You can select the first option. Okay, and then next, and now is searching for the drive. Okay, you have to wait to complete this searching driver, and now you can see here is our SSD is working, and press next, and then make the partition here 150 GB maybe for C, and then go to the apply, and then OK. So now our partition is loading, and here is I make for 330 GB 170 GB for the D drive, and another one 170 GB for, and going to the third partition and press next. Now we will install on this laptop operating system. So this way you can fix your laptop is working 100%. And see, now is installing 93% already done. And see guys, now is getting ready the Windows, and I hope it will be perfectly work for your 11th generation or 13th generation, 12th generation, and a new generation processor is working this way. And see guys, here is our laptop is ready. So I can select United States and yes, and next, and USA, or you can add another keyboard layout, and I can type here Arabic to Egypt, and next, 101. Okay, and then here you have to connect Wi-Fi or network. So here is asking for the email address, so you need to connect network. Without network, Windows 11 you can't use. So you can see here is asking for the network connection, so you have to connect Wi-Fi and press next. Now waiting to connect with Wi-Fi, and then press the next. And now we'll asking for another settings, checking for update. So here is asking for the device name, so I put the device name, my YouTube channel name, and you can't make the space, without space. And next, just a moment. And now another option is coming for typing, set up for personal use, and next. And here is asking for the signing, so here is need to sign in to Hotmail account, or you have to sign in the Microsoft account. So create a Microsoft account here. If you don't have Microsoft account, you can create. So I press here the one name and try this is available or not available. So this name is not available, so I put any number and type this one available, and create a password. So I put password, and then press next, and first name here, and last name, and then press next. And here is asking for the country, and asking for here is the date of birth. I put this all date of birth, and an email or phone number for verification if asking. So put your email address. So I put here is another email address for recovery email address. And now is making email is almost done. You can see now is login in this email. You have to remember this email and password. And here is asking for the fingerprint, so skip for this. I no need to fingerprint. And create a pin code number. Need to create a pin code. So 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. I create this pin code. It cannot be common number. How then? 9898 9898, and then okay. So later you can change the pin code, and all is done. And then press next, next, accept. Okay, skip for this. This is Windows 11 is little bit hard to install all this. And next, skip. This one you can transfer your file from your phone to this PC, this laptop, and then continue. This office, this client, I don't need. So next, this is games, skip for this, no need anything. Checking for update. Now we'll open my PC, and now it's open. So guys, you can see after complete all this, how can I bring the desktop icon? Press the right click in the empty place and personalized, and go to the here, personalize, and go to the themes option, and you can get down desktop icon. It's not available. So here is asking for active, so I click, right click, change key, or I can put here the serial number to active the Windows. So anyone have the serial number original Windows, you can active. See how I bring this extra, this two drive is not working before. This right click and show the more option, and go to the manage, okay, and go to the disk management, and just delete this partition and make new, and it will be work perfectly after format your hard drive. So you can see how fast is working. So now I have to install the all programs. So I need the product key, that original, or you can use any uh, correct program. So I need to install original key. So this is the extract program I have to install. So I will install all the programs. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.